Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I just want to talk to you about a few things regarding where auto techs are employed in the United States. So if you take a look at this pie chart here, it's very interesting. If you look at the various topics, if we look at automotive repair and maintenance, automobile dealers, automotive parts, accessories, and tire stores, service stations or gasoline stations, and fleets. Take a look at automotive dealers, okay? Automotive dealers, 37%. And look at automotive repair and maintenance. These are two huge employers. And let's say that you're interested in something different than that. We still have the parts and accessories and tire stores, which is still a huge amount of volume. Service stations is on the decline, as we all know, because they've gone to food marts. But understand that there's still some out there, depending what part of the country you're in. Also, when it comes to fleets, if you look over at fleets over here, you'll notice that fleets, you could have fleets such as um, uh, Caltrans and others. Those are still viable options. Understand you have to go and be employed where you feel the best fit. And so in our industry, there's quite a few of these employers. And understand that you may change your mind after you're employed for quite a while. That it is a wonderful business to be in, and there certainly is plenty of opportunities for you.